Good morning, class. Standard 9, Physical Educations. Welcome back. The academic year 2021 to 2022. I hope you all safe and good health. So, I'm going to introduce physical educations. Now, last year you were learning a different chapter, section A. Section A, there is two sections, section A and section B. Section A is regarding health and hygiene. Section B is the sports, games, that is volleyball and basketball. So volleyball and basketball notes already given to you. Based on that, I will once again go through that for 9th standard. Basketball, there is still 2-3 pages are there last year pending. In that I'll give even terminology is also completed. Volleyball and basketball is total with you, notes also with you. Now this year your chapter is totally section A is changed. So you have to follow the 10th standard books. In that there is a 11 chapter is there. 11 chapters. What are the chapters? The first chapter is the human growth and developments, which already is in 8th standard. Last year I studied, that is human anatomy and physiologies. Here is human growth and development, these chapters. Next, physical education. What is the importance of physical educations? Why physical education is so important to the people? Regarding that, now you will see the body type. How many body type is there? Regarding the body, there are fat people, lean people, medium fat people. These three type of bodies there. Mesomorph, ectomorph. These type of body types are coming. The one is worksheet is every week comes. I will teach you one by one in case you need a doubt. Now, physical fitness. Regarding physical fitness, one player normal man want to become a fit and health. What to do? How can he improve his physical fitness? So somebody is like to walk, somebody is like to run, somebody is like to go to gym. So likewise, this is a physical fitness, regarding physical fitness. Now next we come to sports training. This is also important. This is sports training only for players, those who are in particular games. Different kind of games are there. Volleyball, boxing, basketball, kabaddi, hockey. So many games are there. In that, how to give the training to those players to improvise their skills. That purpose only sports training. Now, principles of sports training. What is the mean? What is the aim of the sports training? Important, so important to the sports persons. Regarding the chapters. Next, we will come to safety in sports. This is the most important. So, any exercise, any player look after themselves. Should not get. You have seen so many incidents happen. The player running and falling down, breaking the legs. Even brain hemorrhage also is happening. During the play, heart attack also is coming. So you have to prevent these type of injuries. What we're supposed to do, sports person as well as coach who is giving training to the players. Regarding that chapters. Next, prevention of injuries. This also is important. Safety first, then injury also. You have to prevent the injuries. Suppose you're going to fall somewhere else, some suddenly running, muscle cramp, muscle pull, sprain, dislocations, regarding that prevention of injuries, what treatment they have to give regarding that. Next, health education. What is the health education? How to keep your healthy body via diet, via physical exercise, via resting, via recreations, likewise. The next chapter, dietary, notification and meal planning. Suppose what calories you are really consuming, what food you are consuming, what type of food you have to take in the breakfast, lunch and dinner. Regarding that, the last chapter is careers in physical education. If you do like me, like a PT master, want to become a PT master, what career is there? What is the future? If we do graduation in BPEd, Bachelor of Physical Education, you will appoint as a PT master in any school, high schools. If we do master degree, master of sport, physical education, they will appoint in college as a physical director. Likewise, so many things are there regarding the careers in physical education also. You also, on the other, you can also become a sports specialist, physical education teacher or physical education director. So likewise the career is like. So this chapter is totally new for you. They have to study for this chapter for 2 years. This year as well as next year. Same chapters. But section B, there is a basketball, volleyball, nothing has changed. You have to follow what are the notes I given last year. Same notes, same pattern, same answer and question will come for your board exams. Right? This is the introductions. Total 200 marks. This one. Theory 100 marks. PT practical 100 marks. In the PT practical, like 50 marks for physical performance test. That is sit-ups, push-up. Those things will comes. That is conducted by external examiner. PT master will come from outside the school. They will contact on you. Next, internal assessment 50 marks. That means your attendance, your discipline, your behavior, your sports, which are the games you know the school I'm teaching you, that skill regarding the sports, volleyball and basketball. Regarding their skill, I will teach you when school reopens, I will teach you on that. So 50 marks I am giving. So you can easily score in this total 200 marks. 100 marks for theory you have to write. Board exams, 100 marks you have to write exam, 2 hours exam. And PT practical is conducted in the school itself. That is me and external examiner to conduct the exams. So depend on your practice, you can easily score. Because PT is you have to understand, you have to make self-interest. What is a physical? Without physical activities, nothing is, whatever wealth you have, nothing going to help. Physical fitness is important. So many people are dying. Why? The corona pandemic here, why they are dying? Because they don't have body resistance power, immunity power. If you do physical exercise, if you do all fitness, drink, balancing diet, then your body resistance automatically rise. So any disease cannot attack easily on you. So that so many people are dying, they don't have immunity power to resist the disease. So that's why James, stay safe, stay home. Good morning class. We will see you next class with a chapter wise. Good morning.